Hello, it's Miss Carol today. We're making pierogies. We have several fillings. It's just a wonderful day in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The sun is out. Miss Carol has her baking and cooking apron on with the pretty pumpkins that I save for special occasions. And I'm going to take you through our different fillings that we have here. Absolutely wonderful. They're all homemade. This is the potato and cheese mix. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the color. Isn't it beautiful? Then we have the cheese pierogi right here. Look at that. And then over here, bacon and sauerkraut pierogi. And let me tell you a little history about this. Grandma Mary Palmer had a store in Arnold called the Salad Bowl. And everything was homemade like you see here in these trays. Fresh eggs, fresh butter, flour. Everything was prepared in her store. One side was the fruit market, the other side was the bakery. And at Christmas time, Easter, and holidays, she had glass counters filled with cut-out cookies. And as you can see, they're a little excited here under my apron. A little kitchen fun here today. And at the holidays, she also made beautiful fruit baskets. And my son would go there and work. When he was a young kid, all the way up through going to college, he'd work there, and he learned so much from Grandma, and so did I. I learned the heart of the home is the kitchen, where everything starts. And today we're having wonderful festivities here with homemade pierogies by Chef Miguela. And I'm just so grateful to have this day, and it's so beautiful. And we're celebrating here Grandma Mary Palmer and the history of Mary, and what a wonderful business lady she was. Her embroidery was beautiful. She was an extremely talented woman. So today I say salute you, Grandma Palmer. You're done. Hello, it's Miss Carol here, and we're having a family event here in honor of our grandmother, Mary Margaret Palmer, who taught all this to her grandson. And it's just a wonderful day here in Pittsburgh. We have all these fresh ingredients, and I feel like Lydia, the chef, in my red glasses. So here we go, folks. We take the circle, and as you see, it's a nice formed circle. We have the cheese filling, and we put a dab right in the middle, like so. Grandma always liked them really, really good with stuffing. She said, don't skimp on it. And you squeeze it like so. And as you can hear in the background, our dogs are approving. Then once you have it like this, you pinch it. Like so. And you can put a little bit of flour on it, like so. Roll it up and down. And there's your beautiful pinched pierogi. And check out our nice supply here. This is what we're doing today in honor of our Grandma Palmer.
All right, there we go. That's an empty plate. Steeler Jesus, did you try all three?
Yes.
Mom, did you try all three?
Tried all three. My favorite is the potato and cheese. Deliciosa.
Potato and cheese she likes. How about you, dogs? I know I dropped two pierogies on the floor. Which one? Oh, we don't care. We'll take any of them. Okay. So my mom liked the potato cheese. Steeler Jesus, which one do you like the best?
Sauerkraut and bacon.
Sauerkraut and bacon. Very interesting.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
They were all good.
Okay. Yeah, I was surprised how well the sour cream and bacon came out, you know.
Yeah, that was good.
I mean, I can't differentiate number two, but my favorite, the classic, is the potato and cheese. That's what I like the best. Everybody enjoys, you know, but surprised how well the sauerkraut and bacon turned out. And Chunk and Opal, they were approving of all the pierogies.
They approved.
Especially the broken ones.
Yes.
Break more, Mike.
Absolutely delicious. Thank you, Mike.
Chunk and Opal.